Hi guys, welcome back to Nanhua Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today we'll be doing part 2 of a dance piece called Spirit. Let's get started. This was our last movement, right? 1, 2, 3. And from here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then from here, 1, 2, da, da, 1, 2, da, da, 1, up, 2, up. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, da, 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 up, da, up. And from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump. Let's start from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, 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 and da, da, na, da, da. 1, 2, ba, ba. 1, 2, ba. Up, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump. Then from here, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, get ba, ba, and up. 2, 5, 6, 7, go up. 2, 1, 2, 3, up. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, up. Let's start from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Ba, de, ba, ba, de, 1, up, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, up. Then our last movement is 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, da, da. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 1, 2. And 1, up, 2, up, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump, jump. 1, 2, and up. 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Bye.